You know, my grandma used to always say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And what that means is, think about what you're gonna have to clean up before you get it dirty. So let's talk about your broiler pan. First of all, on the broiler grate, before you use it, spray it down with non-stick cooking spray. Put a good coat on. That'll make it easy to clean when you're done. But before you sit that back into the broiler pan, take salt. Sprinkle in a good heavy coat because that's going to absorb all of the meat juices, all of the fat, everything that burns and stinks in the pan. Go ahead, put the top back on, do your broiling. When you're done, take it off. Rinse that pan out, everything's ready to go again and no scrubbing required. So yes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.